Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez, Pamasagal Channel, a faith healer, also a target. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is urgent pasilip no, para kay Vice President na si Sara Duterte. Hagilapin natin, natuklasin natin, maarim natin masagap natin sa energy niya. No, itong reading na to ay pawang gabay lamang. No, pawang gabay lamang upang masilip yung mga bagay na posibleng mangyari sa kanya sa hinaharap, upang magsilbing gabay sa kanya. No, tungo upang matuklasan naman natin yung mga bagay na posibleng mangyari sa kanya, no, with the negative or positive sides, no? And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit ko for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices, no, ng ating angel spirit, no, for urgent pasilip na para kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, let's give an information po. Okay, so there's the moon card. Now, there's something revelation. Now, may mga bagay na maaring marireveal dito. Maraming bagay na maaring matutuklasan dito. Now, maraming bagay na maaring mabulabog sa eksena nito. There's something, the moon. Something revelation. Let's see additional messages. And there's a page of cups. Something is fishy. No, there's something in fishy. Na parang may malansang isda na maaring umalingasaw, na maaring may mga bagay na marireveal with a moon card. At the same time, with a moon card, there's something in intuition. And the page of cups, something in intuition at the same time. So parang meron ditong kaba, kutob, or maaaring nagkakaroon siya ng sleepless night anxiety. Now, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's something, guys, with 8 of Wands. So, there's something in communications. Now, there's something, a lot of transaction coming in. So, there's a trouble there at the same time. May trouble to, ha? And of course, there's something, guys, with the 7 of Wands, something protection. Or mayroon mga bagay na maaaring kailangan niya proteksyonan. Or kailangan niya ingatan. O mayroon dito maaaring pumoprotekta din. No, sa kanya. Now, there's something protection. What is additional messages? Represent what? So, they represent with a magician for manifestation. Na mayroon ditong kumbaga, maaring manifest niya. There's a 10 of cups in reverse. There is something in the happiness. Na mayroon ditong parang hindi mo na-fulfill. Or na maaring there's a family trouble. Na maaring na mayroon ditong struggles, no, when it comes from family. And the magician, something manipulator. There's something creator. No, mayroon dito mga bagay na kung ano man yung bagay na ginawa mo, there's a reflection. Now, there's something at 10 of cups in reverse. There is something struggles, no, pagdating sa family. Now, there's an issue, no. There's the moon card represents the 2 of cups. Now, there's a partnership. So, meron dito ditong mabubulabog. At meron daw ditong maaring, kumbaga, matuklasan or ma-reveal na maaring may kaugnayan about sa partnership with the 2 of cups, with the moon card. Let's see, what is the page of cups? The page of cups represent what? Represent with the 5 of cups. Something disappointment. So, meron daw ditong na-disappoint. No, meron daw ditong parang nag-alinlangan or parang kumbaga nagsisisi. No, dahil there's something fishy na maaring malansang isda na maaring malingasaw. Na maaring may impormasyon na maaring magdala for disappointment. No, ganon. And the Ace of Swords, something ng mental clarity or there's something a breakthrough. So, maaring makakaalis siya with an international. And of course, may mga bagay na maaring magbigay ng liwanag sa isipan niya. Or maaring meron ditong, kumbaga, impormasyon na maaring malaman niya na maaring magdala sa kanya ng, kumbaga, impormasyon na lilinaw, no, sa kanyang isipan. Now, let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages with the 7 of Wands. So, there's a 5 of Swords. Now, there's something in self-sabotage. No? Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage just because of your actions. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's something protection. Pero, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, no? Dahil sa mga bagay na ginawa niya. O maaaring meron dito parang gigisahin sa sariling mantika kung sino man itong pumuprotekta sa kanya. Or meron ditong proteksyon, no? Na maaaring, kumbaga, gigisahin daw sa sariling mantika. No? What is additional messages with a magician? Represent, guys, with a page of pentacle for something invest wisely. So, kailangan, no, kumbaga, ingatan niya yung mga bagay na gagawin niya, plano niya, no, kung ano man yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, iisipin niya dito or gagawin niya, kailangan niyang, kumbaga, i-evaluate or i-analyze ng maayos. What is the Ten of Cups in reverse? Now, there is a Ten of Cups in reverse. Now, the Ten of Cups in reverse represent with the Ten, let's see, clarify, with the Tower moment. There's some major changes, there's something chaos. Na meron dito maaring masira, gumuho, no? At maaring magdala sa kanya ng problema when it comes to our family. The Ten of Cups in reverse, na nakita niyan, na parang there's something family trouble, the Tower moment, there's something chaos, na maaring guguho, masisira, or maaring may mga bagay na may kaugnayan about sa family connection. Now, there is something the Moon card, because the Two of Cups represent guys with the Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest moment. Now, there's a harvest time. So, mayroong mga bagay na maaaring aanihin siya dito. Now, ito yung the Moon card, something revelation. And the Two of Cups, there's a partnership. And the Seven of Pentacles, there's a harvest moment. There's a harvest time. So, may mga bagay siya dito na kung ano naman yung bagay na ganyang ginawa, aanihin niya to. Let's see. Additional messages tayo. Now, with the Page of Cups, because the Five of Cups, there's the Queen of Cups in reverse. Now, meron daw ditong babae na parang very emotional. No, or maaaring, kumbaga, magiging dramatically anxious at the same time. Itong babae na to, dramatically anxious, ay maaaring meron siyang, kumbaga, umalingasaw na informations, no? Na parang, kumbaga, dahil sa kanyang damdamin or dahil sa pabugso-bugsong damdamin, ay maaaring magdadala sa kanya to na disappointment. Na parang, kumbaga, may paggisa. Now, there's a strength card with a confident. No, kailangan niyang lakasan ng loob niya. Maging matapang siya. No, sa kung ano man yung bagay na kinakaharap niya. The Justice card represent guys, no, with the justice. No, kumbaga, there's something justisya. And of course, at the same time, there's a karma. The Justice at the Five of Swords, there's something self-sabotage. So, ibig sabihin nito, no, nagkaroon ng self-sabotage the way na kung ano man yung bagay na ginawa mo. So, it means, no, the Justice card represents the consequences. No, parang pinapakita dito, na kung ano man yung bagay na ginawa mo, hindi mo pinaproteksyonan yung sarili mo, hindi mo pinangalagaan yung sarili mo, no, parang gigising ka dyan. Or maaaring yun yung magdadala sa'yo para masukul ka sa eksena. What is the Magician across the Page of Pentacles? Represent guys with the Queen of Wands. So, there's something confident. So, meron ditong bagay na kailangan niya lakasan ng loob niya. Na meron siyang kailangan mas maging matapang, matibay. Dahil kung ano man yung bagay na kanyang ginawa or maaaring kung ano man yung bagay na kanyang gagawin or plano na kanyang gagawin, kailangan alam niya yung magiging impact nito. Now, what is the Ten of Cups in reverse on the Tower moment? Represent with the Ten of Wands, something burden. So, meron talaga dito na maaaring guguho sa eksena with the Chariot, with the Tower moment. No, there's something chaos. No, parang merong masisira, guguho with the Ten of Cups in reverse na related about sa family issues, family trouble. That there's a Ten of Wands, something burden. Now, there's a lot of burden, obligation, responsibilities na maaaring magpabigat sa situations niya. So, ibig sabihin, maraming bagay na maaaring, kumbaga, kumonekta sa kanya dito. What is the Moon card and the Two of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles? What is an outcome? An outcome, there's an Eight of Cups. Na meron daw ditong aabandonahin or parang iiwan sa eksena. May partnership daw dito na maaaring tumalikod, no, sa kanya, no? Dahil sa revelation. What is the Page of Cups, the Five of Cups, and the Queen of Cups in reverse? Represent guys with the Two of Swords. There's something decision. Etong babae na to nakapag-desisyon na ha. No, once na pumutok yung kanyang eksena dito, no, maaring magdadala ng disappointment sa kanya, saka siya magtotok, saka siya magsasalita. What is the Eight of Wands and the Ace of Swords with the Strength card? Represent guys with the Six of Pentacles. Now, there's something giving and receiving. So, mayroong mga bagay dito na kung ano man yung bagay na natanggap mo or binigay mo, no? Kailangan tanggapin mo yung ano man yung mga bagay na magiging consequences nito. Now, there's something a movement. And of course, there's something help daw. May tumutulong sa kanya, no? Pag nag-travel siya dito. Something like that. What is the Seven of Wands and of course the Five of Swords, the Justice card? Represent with the King of Pentacles, being secure. So, mayroon dito parang iniingatan or mayroon siyang kailangang proteksyonan. No, parang magkakaroon ng self-sabotage the way na parang, kumbaga, pinoproteksyonan niya itong tao na to. I feel something itong lalaki na to ay may hawak ng pera or salapi. No? And there's a first card for revert. Disconnect from the world. So, kailangan niyang ulit, kumbaga, maging matapang or kailangan niya ulit lakasan ng loob niya dito. At magplano siya ng tama't wasto na makakatulong sa kanya. Now, you create your situation and you have the power to change it. So, siya yung naglagay sa sitwasyon niya, siya rin yung makakagawa ng paraan para makaalis siya doon sa situations na yon. Yun yung sinasabi dito. Additional messages. With the Ten of Cups in reverse, the Tower moment of the Ten of Wands represented with the Sun card. It's all about purification. So, sinasabi din with the Sun card, lilinaw, liliwanag, no, magbibigay ng kaliwanagan sa lahat-lahat ng eksena niya, no, lalo sa pamilya niya, sa issue ng kanyang pamilya na maaring gumuhot, nasira or masira. With the Ten of Wands, something burden, lahat ng bagay na yon, there's a God purpose. Yun. So, let's see, what is additional messages? No, ano yung maaaring mangyari? No, or maganap? No? Na related about sa kanyang impeachment. Now, let's see. Now, there is a temperance. It's all about perfect timing. Have patience. The wheel of fortune in reverse. No? There's a bad omen. So, pinapakita dito, guys, no? Kumaga, may nasasense akong gulo. No, may nasasense ako dito na maaring hindi kaaya-ayang pangyayari sa situations na to kasi bagay na hindi matatanggap. No, meron ako nasasense, may impeach talaga siya. Then, of course, gagawa siya ng eksena dito, guys. And there's a Six of Wands. So, see, may laban. No, may laban dito. Now, there's a group of people. And there's something, a page of sword. There's a spy looking, watching. So, mayroong bagay parang inaalam-alam na. No, kung mananalo ba siya sa cases, or mananalo ba siya sa trial, or mananalo ba siya sa eksena na to, yun yung bagay na inaalam-alam niya. Parang, kumbaga, humihingi siya ng legal advice. Let's see what's additional messages. Now, sa situations niya, ano yung maaari pang masagap natin sa energy niya? Angels, let's give me the information po. So, represent with the Five of Pentacles. So, there's a financial loss, a financial crisis, a financial difficulties. So, may mga bagay na mararamdaman siya dito, mararanasan niya regarding about sa financial loss. And there's a Two of Wands. So, there's a choices. Napiliin niya yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan niya or piliin niya yung mga taong, kumbaga, paniniwalaan niya dito. And there's a Seven of Cups. There's a confusion. Mas lalong gumugulo yung situation niya kasi may mga may mga sinasabi sa kanya, no, yung mga advices na hindi tama. So, maaring dun yung nagra-rumble-rumble para magulo lalo yung situations niya. Now, let's see what is additional messages. Now, there's a Seven of Swords, there's a sneakiness. Now, there's a cheating, lying. So, meron daw dito magbibetray sa kanya. No, nasa paligid lang, nakasubaybay, nagmamatsyag kung mananalo ba siya sa eksena or hindi. Parang balimbing tong tao na to. And there's another ones, unti-unti na, makikilala tong traitor din na to sa kanya. And there's a Six of Cups na maaring related sa kanya. No, there's a friend or family friend. No, there's a past situation coming back. Meron din dito about sa nakaraan na maaring mabulabog or maaring maungkat. Maraming ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages for the outcome na lang tayo. For the outcome, ay pagdating sa family, let's see muna. Pagdating sa family niya, there's a Knight of Swords. No, nagkakaroon na ng anxiety, sleepless night about sa family. And there is a one. So, may plano sila na may project or plano silang gagawin dito na maaring nagdadala sa kanila ngayon ng anxieties with the Emperor about sa boss, about sa higher power. So, meron ditong mataas na posisyon na maaring, there's a Four of Swords, something stress. Na-stress right now. Now, siguro ito yung former president, no, yung tatay nila. And there's a Ten of Swords with the sabotage. Kasi parang may sasabotahe or there's a betrayal. No, alam nilang traitin rider sila nitong tao na to. No, lalo na related about sa kanya ama. No, yun yung bagay na parang hindi nila matanggap. Na-stress sila ngayon. No? Parang nahulog sila sa bitag nitong tao na to. Ganon. So, tukuyin natin kung sino yung trader sa kanila. Alamin natin muna. Lalaki, babae. Ay, may kaugnayan sa pera. May malaking pera. Okay. And, there's a wealth tungkol sa yaman. And there's a devil card with demonic. So, ibig sabihin dito, related talaga na pagdating sa partnership sa kanila. Oh, ibig sabihin dito, sa pamilya nila, may traitor at merong hidden agenda. There's something personal interest then at the same time. So, let's see what is additional messages. For the outcome tayo. There is a higher friend for something religious factor or there's a something in beliefs, no? Meron dito paniniwala or pinaniniwalaan, or meron ditong taong related about sa religious group, and there's, related sa tatlong babae. And there's a page of one. So, there's a news. Ito yung, doon siya nakakakuha ng informasyon sa tatlong babae na to. So, related siya, no? Itong tao na to related sa religious group. So, let's see. What is the additional messages with the shadow work represent what? From the shadow work represent what? Anger. Release growth and balance. Your expectation are not met. Creating frustration expressed in a healthy way. So, ibig sabihin dito, nag-expect siya. No, nag-expect siya dito, no, at yung bagay na in-expect niya, hindi tumugma o hindi nangyari. At the same time, yun yung bagay na nagdala sa kanya para ma-frustrate sa situation na to. Very frustrated talaga siya. No? At at the same time, may mga nararamdaman siya that because of this frustration. Kita mo yan, ha? Ayan, ha? Basahin niyo mabuti. Ayan, ha? Nasabi ko lang. There is a clarifying for your life situation. So, para na mag-frustrate siya, parang alam niya na hindi siya mananalo sa situations na to, guys. Na nararamdaman niya, there's something a final ending. No? Ang pagtatapos. Parang ganon. What is clarifying for there's a learning secret. No? Kumbaga, natuto siya dito, no, na maaring about sa mga sikreto. Stay open-minded and receptive as you uncover hidden truths and embrace the lesson they offer. So, may mga bagay siyang dapat natutunan dito. Pero, ang nangyayari kasi, parang, kumbaga, yung ego and pride kasi, yun yung nananaig dito sa situations na to. So, parang hindi niya matanggap yung mga bagay na nangyayari. So, may imbis na natutunan niya yung mga bagay na yon, bagkus naging ano siya, there's an emotional or negative thoughts or negative emotions. Parang gano'n na yung nangyari sa kanya. No, there is something, guys, what lies beneath wicked future. At yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinaharap niya. Uncover hidden truth. So, para talagang dapat, kumbaga, ilabas, no? Ano man yung bagay na katotohanan sa likod dito. Yun yung bagay na kailangan niya tanggapin. No? Let's see what is additional messages. Running away. There's a bag and bull. Kita mo yan, guys? Bago ko buksan to, There is a bag and bull running away. Parang mayroon dito na pinagtutulakan na siya na umalis. No? Umalis or tumalikod or kumbaga, mag-escape or something. Ay, there's a recording. Dito siya maipit sa isang recording. Ito yung recording siguro to represent, kumbaga, regarding, no, dun kay, kay, EBBM nata yun, no? There's a recording na maaring magdala sa kanya para maipit sa situations. No, there's a bag and boo. Talagang, mayroon dito parang pinagtutulakan siya, or, kumbaga, inaano siya na, no, dito, running away, bag and boo, and there's something recording. Nakita niyo yan, guys? Diba? Asapog. So, guys, this is an urgent pasilip na para sa ating Vice President na si Sara Duterte. Then, of course, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang skip ng ads away pagpalaing kayo. Nang Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na umapo na biyayang manibalik sa inyo. And itong reading na to ay pawang gabay lamang upang masilbi yung mga bagay na posibleng mangyari sa hinaharap. Upang magsilbing gabay sa kanya, tungo upang matuklasan yung mga bagay na posibleng mangyari sa kanya para maiwasan niya na ito ay gabay lamang. Gabay nga ni, ha? Huwag niyo ako inaartehan dyan. Pwede mangyari, pwede hindi mangyari tong reading na to. Gabay lamang po ito. No? And of course, maraming salamat, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.